In this video, I'll take you through step by step on how to create a professional YouTube banner using this AI tool, Canva. This is the most powerful tool. If you have a business or you want to create a YouTube channel, a professional YouTube channel, do you know that you need a YouTube banner? So in this video, I'll take you through step by step the right dimension of YouTube banner, right? And I will help you customize it. I will show you how to customize it and do everything without wasting time. Let's go, guys. All right, guys. So let's jump in to Canva. So yeah, if you want to customize it, you can click on the plus button here at the center. But here there are a lot of templates that you can utilize so that you don't waste time, right? Click on templates here. Then after clicking on template, come at the top here. You will see the search bar here. Click on the search bar and then type in YouTube banner. Right, when you type in YouTube banner, then they will bring you a lot of YouTube templates that you can use. When you see the crown here, you will see pro. Those are the paid one. If you want to use these ones, you need to pay or you upgrade to the pro version of Canva. But like those that without the crown, without the pro symbol, it means they are free. Right, and they are also nice. Look at this one here, and then customize it the way you like it, you see. So you can customize this one. You see, when you click on any text, they will give you the opportunity to edit. You can change the picture here. This one, you can just click on the picture, then you can delete the image from there. Replace, click on replace. If you want to put another picture, the picture that you want for your banner, for the picture that you want to put in, you can replace. Click on replace, then just come here and then select the picture that you want. When you click on replace, then it will take you to your gallery and then you upload, right? Just click on upload. You can choose the image that you want. Let's say if you want this one, you can just click it. You see, just like that. Very nice, you know. So yeah, with your mobile phone, you can use your PC if you have PC as well. So this one as well, you can just click and then double click here, then you can just type the name of your business or your channel, the name that you want to give to your channel. Then you can just customize as well. If you want to change the color, the background here, you can as well. That's, guys, very simple. You see, this is how you can create a professional YouTube banner. So from there, and this one is the standard one, is the required YouTube banner, the right size for it. You don't need to waste time, you don't need to do anything. You just have to customize it and then replace what you see here with your own brand, right? It's very simple. So from there, go to the top here and just click on download, right? Yeah, you download it, then it will download. You will see it to your gallery. You go there and then grab it and then you upload it. Go and customize your YouTube channel and then replace, upload it. Very simple. Thank you. So if you like what I'm doing, don't forget to follow, and then if you want to know much about entrepreneurship and how to use Canva, let me know in the comment section. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.